Hello and welcome guys to week 3 of my Leetcoding challenge problem number 2. So today's challenge is odd even linked list. So here it is given that given a singly linked list, group all odd nodes together followed by the even nodes. Please note we are talking about the node number and not the value in the nodes. Okay, you should try to do it in place. The program should run in O of 1 space complexity and O of nodes means O of n time complexity. Okay, so basically here we have to group the odd ones and the even ones. So the odd nodes will be at the first, followed by then the even nodes. Okay, so here my approach is to first we will break the list, this linked list, into two parts, the even nodes and the odd nodes. Then we will traverse the odd nodes first, as in the question it is told that we have to give the odd nodes first followed by the even nodes. So first we have to traverse the odd node by splitting the list, then we will come to the even nodes, then we would traverse that. So after traversing the two separate lists, then we would merge the two lists together. So this is basically the approach of solving this problem. So if you don't have any problem, if you have any problem in understanding, let me again explain through this example. Let me copy this down here. Yeah, so basically ignore this null for now. 0 is 1, 2 is 0 position, 0 or 1 position, 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here the odd position list will be like this: 2 followed by 3 followed by 6 followed by 7, and the even would look like this: 1 followed by 5 5 followed by 4. Yeah, so we would split the list into two, then we would merge these two lists together and the later half. So this is basically the approach. So let's get started right into it. We will solve it using Java. Yeah, so first what we have to check, if at all we have to do any operation or not, or if the loop list is empty or not, as we did do in every problem. So first that checking part we have to do. Head equal to if the head becomes null, or head dot next equal to null, then the list is empty, right? We don't have to do any operations. So return head. Okay, up till this it is fine. So now we have to do the further operation. So what is the further operation? So we have to give name some variables for known as list node, for odd one head, list node odd. Basically for two lists, odd and even, we have to give the head and a tail. So 4 variables all total we have to name. So list node, first the odd head, as odd will come first, equal to new list node, yeah. So list node odd head is done. Sorry, it's not in. Now comes the even head, list node even head equal to new list nodes. Then comes the end, that is the tail portion. So like this, So denote list node odd end or odd tail, tail equal to odd head, and list node even tail equal to even head. So basically these are the head and the tail portion, naming the variables. Now to denote a pointer through which we have to join in the later portion. So declare that pointer list node ptr equal to, that will denote to the head position always, and we will start from index 1, right? So not 0, so it's not a string, so we will start from 1. So tell that also index. Okay, naming part is over. Now what you have to do, split the list into 2, even and odd separately. So by this while loop, there will be a while loop, pointer not equal to null, that is the head not equal to null. Then now I have to split. For splitting, what you have to do, first we are checking the even portion. So index %2, we are checking the position of the nodes, %2 equal to 0. That means the even portion, so even tail. That next, what would be that? Even tail next would be, we will assign to that pointer, that will be the head ptr. Yeah, yes. And then the even end, even tail equal to the next pointer, that will connect to the odd node. Even tail dot next even tail. Yeah, okay, all right. So this is done for the even portion. I am putting here a comment for understanding purpose. Even part. Yeah, now comes the odd part. Else, yeah, if completed, now I have to do the else, the odd one. So odd tail dot next, what would be, yes, the pointer one. The pointer is basically the linking part. Tail equal to tail dot next. Yeah, now this is done. Now we have to increment this position, index plus plus, sorry, index plus plus, and the pointer, what would be, will move to the next node. So ptr equal to ptr dot next. Now finally we have to combine to form one linked list, right? Two separate linked lists into one, so we have to merge them. So this would be done by using the pointers and the nodes. Last means the tail part. First comes the odd, as to said in the question. So odd tail that next equal to, what would be, the beginning of the beginning node of the even list. So even head dot next, pretty cool and simple. Next we have to check the end of the list, right? So at last, as there is the even node, so even node must be initialized or equal to the null as written this. We will do this also. So event tail dot next equal to null return or head. This is basically must be it. Let's check by running the solution. Yeah, awesome. So this is the best case. Okay, I forgot to show you the runtime. Let's just run the code once. Yeah, 0, the best case. We achieved it. So as Shay said in the question, we achieved the best case also. O of n space. Yeah, so this was very much it. Linked list problem. Split the list and then merge it again. Yeah, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up to this, subscribe my YouTube channel, and comment if you have any doubts. I will happy to help you out. Stay tuned in my channel. Until tomorrow, we will again see you. Bye bye.